Hello and welcome, everyone. Are you ready to dive into the world of Python programming and game development? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I've got an amazing free opportunity for you. If you've ever wanted to learn how to create your very own snake game using Python and Pygame, this is your chance. Things you will learn in this course: game programming with Python, basic Pygame usage, making your own games, and more. The original price of this course is around €20, but I want to offer it to you completely for free, with no cost at all. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Then, click on the desired link. Make sure the phrase you enter is exactly the same as shown to be directed to the correct page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are different sections where we can choose our preferred category to find the desired course. On the open page, the courses in our selected category will be displayed, especially the course we're looking for. Then, we click on its link to enter the course page. The course page opens, displaying information such as discounts and the course expiration date. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. Did you see that? I was able to get this course 100% free through gotodiscounts.com, and instead of paying €20, I got full access for free. But here's the thing: this discount isn't permanent, and there's only 3 days left. So don't waste any time. Act now and grab this amazing opportunity before it's gone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and new videos. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.